For all the teachers here, you get an additional credit to your tax return that you may have no idea about. It's called the Eligible Educator School Supply Tax Credit. Now, many accountants, I don't know if you're doing your tax return, you may not know this for sure because why would you? It's a very random tax credit. And many accountants actually don't seem to know this as well, especially because they may not be asking questions related to what you do as your profession. So they may not even know that you're an teacher or an early educator and that you are eligible for this tax credit. So this tax credit actually can save you quite a bit of cash. It can save you up to $250 on a return, and I'll show you exactly how to deduct it and claim it on your tax return. So here it says for the tax credit to actually be eligible, you must be an eligible educator and you paid for eligible supplies. So many of the times when you're a teacher, you end up paying out-of-pocket fees for your class, whether it's, supplies, had to bring in maybe another toy or some sort of book. Maybe you purchased a book yourself that you wanted to teach. Anything like that that's related to education or the school system that you pay out of pocket, you will get 25% back. Okay, so you can end up getting the supply tax credit back. So it's a refundable tax credit that can reduce the amount of income tax you may owe. So who can claim it? Here you can see who is an eligible educator. So you need the following both conditions to be met. You were employed in Canada as a teacher or an early childhood educator at an elementary or secondary school or a regulated childcare facility, and you held a teaching certificate, license, permit, diploma, or a certificate or diploma in early childhood education that was valid and recognized in the province or territory where you were employed. And then we go through what exactly is an eligible supply expense. You bought teaching supplies for teaching or students learning. They were directly consumed as part of your employment. You were not entitled to a reimbursement or allowance, okay? So you didn't get money back from your place of work. The expense was not deducted from any person's income for any year and was not used to claim any other deduction. So here you can find what is consumable, what is prescribed, and they have just a big list of things here. So consumable goods are generally included items that are inexpensive and are used up quickly. And then you have your prescribed durable books, games, puzzles, containers, all kinds of different things here related to your teaching. Now, you can only claim up to $1,000 in the year, so don't go crazy with your expenses, but you get up to $1,000 and you would multiply by 25%, which is a total of $250. Make sure you keep all support or receipts in case you get audited. Now, this is the Wealthsimple tax return software. If you are filing using Wealthsimple, click the link in the description. You get $25 if you fund your account with $100. 25% return right there. One thing that you should know is that Wealthsimple is also free, so it's $0 to file your tax return. It's by donation, so you can switch to $0. When you go down and you want to find that early educator one, you'll just click teacher and you'll find teacher tax credit. Okay, so starting in 2016, if you were a teacher at an elementary school and all the stuff that we were talking about, you get up to $1,000 of eligible supplies expenses. Make sure you include all the descriptions, so whether it's game, supplies, and you have, let's say, games, and this was 500 and this was 500, you'll see that it now went down for a total of $250, which is what you were entitled to. Now, since it started in 2016, if you missed any of your prior years, make sure to amend it. $250. That's the cost of actually filing your tax return for most accountants. Like if you go get an accountant to do your tax return, $250 is what they charge most of the time if it's a basic one. If it's more complicated, it can be more expensive. So $250, that's a big return that you are entitled to if you had these supplies that you paid for. So if you have receipts of everything that you paid before in the prior years, make sure to amend it and get the money that you are entitled to. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical Canadian tax guidance videos. This is general information, not personalized tax advice.